Namaste, namaste to everyone. I'm Vishwajanani Satyagiri from the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, heading a unit called the Traditional Knowledge Digital Library Unit. I'm really very pleased to be at the GSFC University today to participate in the one-day symposium on Indian knowledge systems. I'm so very glad to be part of this thanks to Mr. Taneja, President GSFC University, and as well as Professor Sinha, the Vice Chancellor of the University. It's indeed important that we mainstream Indian knowledge systems today, growing with the heritage, the highly valued traditional knowledge and practices that we have inherited from our ancestors. This provides a platform to not only create awareness but also an appreciation for our Indian knowledge systems. This platform of the one-day symposium provided me an opportunity to provide a glimpse of the vastness and the diversity and as well as the uniqueness of our Indian knowledge systems to all the participants. This included the faculty and students not only from the GSFC University but from other places as well across the country. I also got an opportunity to speak about the Traditional Knowledge Digital Library, which is a very unique initiative of the Government of India to protect our traditional knowledge from misappropriation and as well as via piracy. The database TKDL, which was instituted in the year 2001 by the CSIR and the Department of Indian Systems of Medicine and Homeopathy, the Ministry of Ayush today, has provided an opportunity to document our traditional knowledge in a format and a structure that is understandable by the current generation as well as the future generation. We believe this will offer plenty of opportunities to further R&D and innovation in the country. The IKS symposium today also offered opportunities to not only talk about the Indian systems of medicine, but also all the other traditional practices and as well as the knowledge of the communities of Gujarat and as well as elsewhere. The cultural expressions themselves are very, very important, and it is very important to create this kind of knowledge and awareness and appreciation among the students of today so they can carry forward our heritage for the welfare of all, including enhancing the livelihoods of the communities involved. Thanks once again for giving me this opportunity to be part of this very prestigious one-day symposium at the GSFC University. Thanks once again, Professor Sinha, Mr. Taneja, for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.